Bradfield is Australia's first new city in 100 years, and the AMRF is right at the centre of that.
We make the solutions, technologies, capabilities, knowledge available to as many manufacturers as possible.
We're a team of engineers with deep industry experience that understands your problems just as much as you do.
The AMRF gives manufacturers a low-risk pathway to explore and adopt advanced manufacturing technologies.
We're delivering the service that industry actually wants and needs.
The AMRF provides end-to-end integrated solutions across a lot of different manufacturing technology. That means putting engineers, operations, quality, and design next to each other.
Part of what we're looking at is those difficult problems and to kind of give a bit of confidence to say, yeah, it can be done. You can take these on and actually do them.
We didn't have the production capacity until the AMRF came to us and made those recommendations.
We've definitely been teamed up with the right people.
If you've got a problem, just come down here. We've got a floor full of people who want to help.
We've designed this with a lot of intention of how do we minimize risk, how do we maximize impact to industry.
We are all about connecting the ecosystem.
I think we all have the same reason for being with the AMRF. It's really exciting time within Australia to have a facility like this, and the technology, it's world class.
If we can set up things in-house and we can utilise facilities like the AMRF and get those processes happening in Australia, we're far better off.
We're here to say we're partners in this forever. You know, our success is yours.